So here we are at 10:40, and it is coming down like mad. There's pretty much not even a car over there. And we were just out here not even an hour ago, and the footsteps that me and Ashe made, totally gone. Holy crap, my foot is like gone. Here we are at 5:40, and wow, it's like up to our porch. There's a truck over here stuck apparently. And the snow's gone down a lot, or well, how much it's snowing. But we're pretty much blockaded in. Did you sink out here, Ashe? Holy crap. We're like up to my knees. Come on, Ashe. Come on. Oh, you're wrapped up again. Is it kind of deep, Ashe? Yeah, now we're up to my knees. Come on. Ashe. Hi. You having fun? Ashe. Hey, come on. Come on. Ashe, let's go. Come on. You look like a deer. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Good job. Hey, come on. Hey, Ashe, sit. I said sit. Hey. Ashelia. You have to go back around. You retard. Go back around. What? Good job. Now go around. Go on. Come on. Come on. Oh, what's wrong? Can't you reach? Ashe. Ew. God, it's up to my knees, and I'm... Holy crap. The back of our truck is full of snow. And the front is like a... Oh my God. I can't even walk out here. Other cars are like missing. So look at that one over there.